Okay. You said you want to go to the other side. What, they're like on level 3?
I think so.
Why does this seem more fucked up?
Yeah, it seems like it got gutted again.
Yeah, this shit looks like some different shit. This is for sure the front door. We might as well go up right here then. Yeah, okay. It's this thing. Oh, shit. This thing is so broken, bro. I'm so scared to walk on this. We're just gonna go. Roof time. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh fuck, the feds for sure see this shit. Okay, this is this shit. The bridge is so packed. There's Lee.
Where?
Right there. The only big ass building over there. That's where we got caught at. The top, that tall one, that top of that bitch. They went all the way to the fucking tips of that bitch. A ladder going up more, but I'm just scared of this building. I ain't gonna lie. Oh no. That's the elevator shaft. I just looked down the hole and it just went so far down, bro. Hell no.
Just like get up and move.
I would sleep up here in a tent. Yeah, I would.
I'll probably sleep down.
No, I would sleep right there on a night like this, bro.
On a night like this would be sweet. It's like winter.
Oh, we trying to pull out winter camping? Train. Oh, it's only one. You think that bitch going too fast to jump on? Should we go hop on it? Okay, no way. He stopped. He stopped. This nigga has solar panels on top of his car. I don't know. I think this would be the perfect spot to train hop if they stopped it right here.
Yeah, but they just have to stop before like a load out.
We'll go up that way. Let's hop on.
Which way does this take us? Does it take us up north?
Not to Canada. Not to Canada. Well, maybe this way it might go to Canada. That way is towards north, towards us. This way is downriver. The way we're looking. We better go down across.
Yeah, I kind of jumped across.
Oh. That's so fucking crazy every time I look down at it.
Bro, this is like a three-purpose building, bro. This got garages and homes.
All this shit's abandoned.
Huh?
All this is
You know what
abandoned.
I'm saying? It like it could have been a multi-purpose building. You seen rooms and shit, bro?
This is, I'm scared of dogs back here. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is.
Stick your head in there.
It was recently used, bro. This shit is padded down. There's a dog leash.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks like a whole fucking arena for dog fighting, bro. It looks like an arena in there.
Like an arena in there.
Yeah.
Stick your head in there.
No, dude, there's like made stands out of wood. These are stands.
For real.
These are stands, bro. There's an arena of some sort. I don't know if I want to go in here. Hello? Oh no, dude. I feel like this is somewhere we're not supposed to be, bro. In this place.
Totally not supposed to be here.
We're not supposed to be here.
What's it like in there?
It's an arena. That really said it was a little bit. Am I tripping or is it weird in here, bro? Oh, it's an indoor football arena. Detroit JCC soccer. I want to get onto the field, bro. Right here. You gotta look over here. That's outside. That's outside. They could walk right in this bitch.
It's late during the day, dude.
This nigga disappeared. Call this nigga. Oh, he right there. I'm about to say, I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's why he's probably over there.
It's a fucking soccer field in there.
Huh?
There's a soccer field in there.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, them niggas right there threw me off, bro. I thought they was the cops and they pulled up sirens and lights and shit, bro.
Oh, they pulled up with her.
Yeah, fucking bikers and shit.
Oh.